This took me a couple of days to receive. Got it from Ninja Van today. My first ever microphone that is not a lavalier mic. Yeah, I'm a photographer, but well, I guess I'm not quite a photographer anymore. Okay, here we go. Let's talk a little about the reason why I chose to buy the Lark Max. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint me, of course. Alright, the Lark Max, it's slightly cheaper than a DJI mic. I don't really like the DJI mic's price, although it's only like a couple hundred ringgit. Actually about, how much is it? About 100 ringgit more. But anyway, maybe I don't like DJI, who knows. Okay, right, wow, this is packaged rather nicely. What's this? Oop, 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 oop. Did I, okay. I didn't break anything, hopefully. We are here for you, right, packing list. Okay. Basically useless. What else is in here? Oh, by the way, this thing is like an attic. Nice box. Comes with another box. Yeah. Just watch Secret Invasion. Everything was in Moscow, right? So I have a Russian nesting doll from Holy Land here. Kind of. Well, dust proof, maybe water resistant zippers. Can I remove this lanyard thing? Well, maybe I have to cut it. Wow. Okay. Okay. Very, very nicely packaged. How do I open this? The rough way? Ah, okay. The gentle way. Alright, let's put that aside first. Let's see what is in here. I was promised 2 lavalier mics, so let's see if I do get the lavalier mics. Right, they come with 2 free lavaliers right now, which is one of the reasons why I bought it. I need lavaliers basically. Well, that's another 100 plus 200 ringgit, I think. Not bad. It's a nice little case. Let's put that aside. Cable, TRS to TRS, I think. Yeah. TRS to TRS. Wind muff. Okay. So we'll see how secure that is in a minute. Second wind muff. I'm not going to open that. And these are 手机连接线 Type C. Okay, I can read it through that. Don't need it yet. This is another 手机连接线 Type C. Oh, 2 Type Cs. Yeah, one of them must be the Apple one. And this should be 充电线 charging cable for USB. Alright, let's look at the star of the show. Okay. Probably it's not connected to anything now. Let me just, well, what I can say is Still feels solid. Might survive a fall or two, who knows. Alright, and there are lights to indicate how much charge it has. Let's take one of the mics out. Comes with the magnet behind it. Ooh, wow. Really strong magnet. Okay, let's not mess with that. So it has coverings to prevent charging, so I think none of these are charged. So let's try the wind muff. Wind muff, okay. It has kind of a sleeve. Yeah, I think. Let's go. Looks like it might go in both ways. Kind of strange. I mean the design. Okay, it goes in both ways. Yeah, it goes in both ways. Yeah, so it's bi. Alright, forget about that joke, I think. Okay, this is the receiver. USB-C, headphone jack. This is the 3.5-inch output, and I have no idea what that is. I'll find out soon enough. And for the transmitter, USB-C behind. Not sure if you can see that. And I've got a power button, and I would assume a 3.5-inch for lavaliers or general microphone in, lying in. As a button that is labeled record on the other side. Feels good. Well, that's it for the unboxing. Now let me go and do some testing, and I'll come back with a proper review.